Hi, my name is Jodi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Throughout my journey, I've met some pretty interesting people, done crazy things, had heartbreaks, met the love of my life, laughed until I cried, traveled to over 64 countries, learned some pretty hard lessons. I've loved hard, lost, won, and then some. I'm a daughter, mother, wife, sister, best friend, costume designer, preschool teacher, senior food awards judge, Observer Style Woman of the Year awardee, secretary, television host, socialite, makeup artist, sales rep, model, and now YouTuber. Join me as I talk about everything from motherhood to makeup, style, lifestyle, and just about everything in between. Come along with me as I show you a glimpse into my crazy, hectic life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So I've been getting a couple of requests for daytime, nighttime routine. So this is just my very simple nighttime routine. It's my go-to, and all of the products that I'm using are available right here in Jamaica. So the first thing I do is if I have on makeup, I'm going to remove my makeup. And I just use, for years I've been using these, the Neutrogena Remover Cleansing Towelettes. And you can find them at any pharmacy right here in Jamaica. I used to have to, when I was away, buy a bunch and bring them in, but now they're readily available right here. They also have the calming ones with lavender, and there's another one in a darker blue pack that's hydrating, but I just get those. So I'm gonna remove my makeup. And usually by the end of the day when I remove my makeup, I'm like, woohoo, thank God. All right, next thing I'm going to do is I've been on the Xoxo Skin Health line of products. I go to Emed Spa and I'm on the scrub, I'm on all of the, I love the products. Anyway, this is the hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin. And I use one of these face brushes. I switched from the Clarisonic with the actual bristles and it suds up and was really, really great. Because it's like I leave that in the shower and I just didn't like that it was just there sitting in water and a little comes with a cover on it, or it was just always moist, and I didn't like that. I didn't like that I couldn't clean the brush, and I'm not going to replace the brush head every week. They were very expensive. This one I like because I can actually use soap and water and clean it. I can spray a little disinfectant on it. I can use soap and water and antibacterial soap. So I use this and I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add, I don't need a lot, of soap on here. I wish this was wet. And then I'm just going to, and it's a lot more gentle. The Clarisonic brush was just so rough. Anyway, I love this one. And just wash my face. Oh! By the time I'm doing this, I'm just so tired that this is just such a nice massage. Oh, don't forget the décolleté. And then if I have any stripping or anything like that from the exfoliating accelerator from the Xoxo line, this will kind of just remove any dead skin. And then when it stops is when I stop washing my face, and I'm just gonna rinse off. If I had wet this before, the soap would have stood up. I hate when soap don't sud. I'm gonna wash my face first. Okay, face is washed and all clean. Just really simple. If I'm not using any of the Xoxo products, because sometimes I do need to give my skin a break from the lotions and potions and stuff like that, I use Blackseed oil. No, I've been talking about the Blackseed oil. This one is also, it's late. I got this in Jamaica and I liked this bottle because when I bought my Blackseed oil in the big jar, it's in the little containers, I found that the containers would leak, so it was hard to travel with. Earth Elements has Blackseed oil. they have a little bottle, and the little bottle is great, but the little bottle also started to leak on me, so it was hard to travel with, and I just didn't like the mess all over the place. This one, I'm sure this one will start to leak, so I got that at Fontana, right here in Jamaica. I still have makeup on my eyelid. Where's Breezy though? Alright. And now, something I learned from Lisa Hannah. She uses a Jade Roll, and she's beautiful. So I just kind of, in upward motions, I just roll the Jade Roller. Stones are supposed to have different properties, and I'm not sure what jade has, but apparently it's just good for the skin. I like when I just keep this in a cool place. Actually, I should be keeping this in the fridge, but then I forget it down there. I just keep it in a drawer under my sink, and when I use it, the jade is nice and cool. Helps with the puffiness under the eyes, and it just feels really nice. You know, like giving yourself a little mini face massage. And face massages, when you give yourself or you go and get face massages, it's been proven to reduce wrinkles and stress. So just roll out my under eye hair. And oh, I bought this in Sephora. But you can get these online, and I'm sure if you looked up here you'd find these, because this is like all the rage right now. You're not jade rolling your skin and not selling nothing. So you just pretend like you have like dough. No, it needs to be gentle. It needs to be gentle. Upward motions. And don't forget the décolleté, people. Don't forget the décolleté. Ooh, you see I have a bump right there. I feel like that bump has been there from the beginning of time. Okay. And then I will just pull out my hair. Take out any clips. I had some bobby pins in there. I just don't like to sleep with all the clips and things in my hair because I just want to relax. And then if my hair has been itching me in the day, I don't know if you watched the video that I did. I was having a problem with my scalp. So if my hair is itching me, I just take, I made this. This is my belly butter with extra jojoba and avocado to make it just so nice and nourishing for the hair. See that little flaking right there? Lord God, the avalanche has to start now. Jeez on keys, no shame it. Look at you. So let's use this on my hairline. And then just a loose one. And if my hair is curly, and depending, if Sean is not home, then I'll put on my bonnet. If he's home, I don't really want to scare him too much. And if my hair is curly, like if I wash my hair late at night, I saw silk in there. If I wash my hair late at night and I don't want my curls to get all flat and horrible for the next day, I'll put on my bonnet. There we go. And what the bonnet does for me is it's silk lined. So you can see that black material there, it's silk. So you can get different ones. I got this really nice print one. Oh, I got this long ago. I don't remember where I got it from. Anyway, so when you're sleeping and your hair is rubbing on the cotton of the pillowcase, of the sheets and stuff like that, it can break your hair. And it's just rough. You know, your hair oils just transfer onto the pillow looks all dirty and oily and greasy. The hair it can break off. So the silk, what the silk does, it just adds that nice gliding layer. So your hair, it retains the moisture. It also doesn't break off or snap off while you're sleeping. So it's a really good idea to sleep in a bonnet. It just look like bonnet girl. I don't know. You know, this is just how I need to sleep sometimes. So I guess Sean knows it's sexy time when I'm not in the bonnet and the hair is all curled and I'm like, hey. When you see the bonnet, I'm going to my bed. Yeah, that's a good rule. So yes, that was my nighttime routine, and Most of the things that I used, except for my Jade Roller, I got here, right here in Jamaica. Make sure you check out my tutorial on the belly butter, guys. This stuff is like magic. It's really, really good. It's good for moisturization, hydration. You add a little more jojoba and avocado, you put this in your hair, and it's amazing. Like, my hair troubles have really, they've calmed down a lot. As for, I need to do a video on her products. I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to do it with like the full of everything that I do. These products are amazing. I have melasma, and you wouldn't even be able to tell. Like, I know I don't look like a 10 out of 10 right now, but I don't feel like embarrassed to be in front of the camera with absolutely no makeup on. I mean, I know it's not like the nicest thing to look at, but it's not the worst. And this is me. With my blackseed oil. Blackseed oil is great for aging skin. It is great for super moisturization. I don't know why I'm doing this. Is that ready? I have to go on these trunk lights. Bye.